Hello, my name is Brett Delandry. I'm a senior systems engineer with VAST Data, and today we're here to talk about VAST Uplink. VAST Uplink is a tool that allows you to manage and view all of your VAST Data clusters in a single portal. When first logging into VAST Uplink, you'll notice that you'll be dropped into a page that shows all of your clusters, and at the top right of each card, you'll see how many critical, major, and minor alerts there are. You'll also see the cluster name, the cluster status, the release version, a 10-minute trailing metric about performance for throughput, IOPS, and latency. You'll also notice the aggregate in-use logical capacity, the license status and expiration date, and the sync status back to VAST. At the top right, you'll see a tickets window that you can create and manage tickets directly to VAST support. You'll notice that these tickets have create times, updated times, the account of who created the ticket, the problem type, the case type, and whether that case is either a new case, an old case, or a pending closing. You'll also see an alarms tab at the top of VAST Uplink where you'll see all of the alarms for all of the clusters that are connected, ranging from things like quota triggers, power supply failures, or SSD deactivation, reactivation issues. You'll notice when they happened, what cluster that they happened on, and at the far right, you'll be able to create a ticket directly to Zendesk if you so choose. Define the subject and leverage or not the pre-populated information from that alarm. And then you can also change the case type priority from low, medium to high, or change the case type from problem, question, or a potential planned maintenance. Going back to the clusters tab, you'll notice that all 4 clusters get mildly highlighted when you hover over them. And this means you can go ahead and click on any of these cluster cards to be dropped into a very familiar interface for existing VAST customers. This VMS-like experience gives you a cloud-hosted telemetry of all of your performance metrics and all of your alarms, events, and critical alerts. You'll notice some new icons at the top that you can navigate to any other cluster in your environment or go back to the root of VAST Uplink by clicking on See All Clusters. You'll also notice another icon at the bottom called Local VMS and another one called Documentation. Local VMS will take you, based on the information provided about VMS Uplink, back to the VMS instance that's on-prem for you. Please reach out with any questions or concerns. Thank you.